So today I'll be showing you how to stop Instagram from saving photos and videos to your phone's gallery. So anytime you post a photo or a video, either in stories or just a normal post or a reel, Instagram saves to your gallery, saves that video or photo to your gallery. So to stop that, tap on your profile icon to go to your profile page, and then tap on the three-line button in the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, scroll down until you get to Archiving and Downloading. Tap on that, and then here you should see the option to, first of all, save story to gallery, so you can turn that off. And then you have also save original photos. Make sure that is off, because if it's on like this, then it means your Instagram account will save photos you post and videos you post on Instagram to your phone's gallery. So you might want to turn those two options off. Okay, and that's going to prevent your Instagram account from saving photos and videos to your phone's gallery. This works on both Android and iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.